Suppose you have x, which is, it has some distribution fx. And let's say y, which is distributed fy of y. So these are the density functions. Okay? Maybe I should start with an example. Okay, by the way, before this, I'd like to write this one. Kung sa ito yung transformation nato of variable fy of y equals, so sa ito, fx of unsa? Inverse, right? Tama? So this is fx of x times, but this is the inverse actually, what do you call this one? Y inverse? Kana? Tama? Y inverse? G inverse if you g of x. So y inverse na lang, which is just, okay? Basically, substitute nimo ang ano, no? I don't know. Yeah, y inverse. Isulat na lang ako ang x, no? Because, but we are talking about here the y inverse. Times what? The absolute value of ano na lang, g inverse of x, absolute value of d, g inverse of x over dy, right? Now, this actually has a summation. I gave this to you, one, depending on the number of images, pre-images. Okay? For example, if you have fx of x equals some x squared, alpha x squared, clearly, you have to add between square root of x and plus x, minus x. Mo nang gibuhat nato sa normal distribution. Okay? So there is a summation here. Now, what happens if this is multivariable? Well, if, let's say you have f of q na lang, qr of qr, the joint density, meaning here the joint density is equal to f xy times the Jacobian, the absolute value of the determinant of the Jacobian matrix, inverse of the Jacobian matrix. So this is the xy over partial qr, where this one is a matrix, partial xy over partial qr is equal to partial x over partial q, partial x over partial r, partial y over partial q, and partial y over partial r. This is the inverse Jacobian. Ang forward Jacobian is, you can call this as J inverse. Na, this is a matrix, Let's write this as that. And partial of QR over partial XY equals, okay, by the way, as this class is optional, karon, you may leave. Okay ra if you want to leave, no problem. But I will not be posting this video tonight. Okay? Pero okay ra pag muhawa mo. Okay? Walay problema gyud na siya. But yeah, akong i-discuss karon is something related sa exam ugma. So naara sa inyong pabilin mo. Okay, kay para walay ko anay. Anong ga? Hello? Okay. This is partial q over partial x, partial q over partial y, partial q over partial, rx, partial r over partial y. This is the forward Jacobian. Meaning na x of y to xy to qr. Okay? Okay. Now, the determinant of this matrix is the inverse of the determinant of this matrix. Okay? So here actually, we can, some of the definition, ginabutang ni siya as the determinant of J inverse. Or 1 over that of J. When we say J, they're talking about the forward Jacobian matrix. Okay? Or pwede ra gyapon tong atong akuan, the inverse Jacobian matrix. Now, this only works for functions which are invertible. What happens if dili siya invertible? Okay, tanaw nato na siya because we have done when I derive the katuganing the sum of the normal random variables, that is an invertible function. Why there is an invertible? The sum is an invertible nga transformation. So we could not, that's why katuganing pagkuha nato sa chi-square distribution, we did not go to the Jacobian, di ba? What we did was integrate over the in the pre-image. Okay? And we will do that later. Ang akong ikuan karon is maghatag kog example ani for invertible transformations. Okay. Tanaw sa nato. Okay. Let's say x is okay, x of x, let's say 3/2 x squared. X is an element of -1 to 1. So verify that this is a valid probability density. How do you verify that one? That this is a valid density function. So you take the integral of fx of x dx over all omega. Now, we could not integrate this from minus infinity to infinity because our domain is -1 to 1. So that means that this is the integral of -1 to 1 of 3/2 x squared dx. So this is just 3/2 x cubed over 3. So this is x cubed over 2 evaluated from -1 to 1. So this is 1. Tama? So sa ato pa that this is a valid density function. But this is, if that's you are being asked to verify whether this is a valid density function or PDF. Okay? So, di naman isa kuan. Ay, oh. Basta integral sa f of x to siya. But anyhow, you may go if you want. No hard feelings. Pero ang consequence, di na ako ni siya i-upload karon. Kaya di gid na ako siya ma-upload kay busy kayo ko. Di na ako ni ma-edit ugma natong exam. Depende lang ug asay na ako humanunon ron nga example. So wala kamo na bahala og magkuan mo. Basta akong i-cover, ako ang ihatag ugma. Unsay mahatag nako karon will be the same. Dili pod mao nga question ugma, but patterned on that. Pero, okay, di gid ako ma-edit ang video tonight. Okay. So, nakuha na ni? Okay. Now, we want to find the density function of R na lang, no? Fr of R given that R is equal to x squared. Okay. Now, if this is the case, Fr of R is the map invertible. This is invertible, right? Clearly. So, unsay gamito nato? Fr of R is equal to Fx of, unsa ba? Inverse, tama? So, which is square root of x, tama? But then, there are two images of this. Okay, so, plus fx of minus square root of x. Because ang atong ano is between negative 1 to 1. But what if 0 to 1 ran eh? Well, we don't need this, right? Pero negative 1 to 1 man god. So, we will be needing this one. Remember sa katong sa nato ikas ang wala nato gikuha ang kuan. Okay? Times what's the Jacobian? Yeah, we don't need ang kuan lang. The absolute value of what? So, dr equals 2x dx, tama? So that dr, unsa ba ni siya diri? This is dx over dr. Tama? So this is dx over dr equals what? 1 over 2x. But what's x? Here we are talking about x inverse. I mean y r inverse. So this is 1 over 2 square root of x. No, x. X there is, we must now replace this by the inverse. Murag renaming it. Okay? So, ano na lang siguro? 1 over 2, yeah, 2, basically 2x. Ano lang, di na ako isulat ni siya dire. But what is x in terms of r? That's square root of r. Technically, it's square root of r, right? Okay, ano na lang, 1 over 2 square root of r. Ha? Okay? 1 over 2 square root of r. So this is now, okay, let's replace this by r na. R. So 1 over 2 square root of r. And this is, usay ano ani karon? Asa naman eh? This is 3 halves. Symmetric siya, tama? So, i-add lang natin. So, this is 3x squared. So, this is 3r, tama? 3r. Tama? Times, we don't need the absolute value because we are sure that this is, we are taking the positive. Say, ano naman good? By taking r equals x squared, our new domain would be 0 to 1, tama? This is our new domain. Nakuha? So that means, anyway, this is now times 1 over 2 square root of r. So this is now 3 halves square root of r. This is fr of r. That's the density function of fr of r. Okay? Now, how about we have another function? Another function. So, mabay, wala na ako nakuha diri. Maura ni siya. Let's add another function. Let's say fy of y is equal to 3 over 8, 2 minus y squared. Here, y is an element of 0 to 2. Okay, di na ako i-show nga ano nga density PDF ni siya. If you're asked to show PDF, you integrate it to 1. Okay? You integrate it in the overall space and it should be 1. Okay. Suppose that we have R as x squared y. Find the PDF of R. So this is the same as what we did last time, right? When we derived the t distribution, the chi distribution, the ANOVA. Okay? What is now the distribution of x squared y? Okay? Now, we are assuming here that x and y are independent. Oh, by the way, ato ni siyang i-drawing. Ang x is na rin, no? Minus 1 to 1. While ang y is from 0 to 2. Sa ato pa, this is now the domain of this is the domain of fxy, of xy, right? This points right here is the domain of Kani. Okay? Now, we want to transform this one. We want to transform into f of r, where r is x squared y. Okay? So we will use katong ano, f r of r equals f, ano ba ni? F x y. Okay? The problem karon diri is we have to form this one. Fr of r must be the joint density of x, y, tama? Times the Jacobian. Okay? The determinant, ako na lang isulat niya, the determinant of, or 1 over the determinant of the forward Jacobian. Okay? Or just, para mas dali ninyo matandaan, I think mas effective ni siya. Determinant of partial, kung unsa ni siya diri x, y, over partial r, qr, pero r lang man ta diri god. In general, ako ning ikuan ha, ibalik na ko tong definition. This is f of qr of rs para makita ninyo. So this is r, r qs, qr. So this is q and r. Okay? So this is the formula. But then, unsay ibuhaton nato dire? We can now, ano itong buhaton? We take what? First step. Kailangan nato dire, we will use the marginal PDF. Okay? But first is, we need to get P of QR. P of XR na lang. P of XR, tama? We would need this one. And then, to find P of FR, we will integrate this. Okay? So,
integrate that. Sa X lang integrate sa no?
Ha?
Sa X lang integrate.
Yeah, sa X ka mag-integrate. Okay? So, by the way, this is an independent event. So, what is this? Ha? So, sa ato pa, ang fxy is just 9 over, pila na? Kani. 9 over 18, tama? 9 over 18, 16. 9 over 16, x squared, 1 minus, 2 minus y squared. Okay, what's the determinant? Well, ani man god, pwede nato ni siya ikuan. Since we are only changing in terms of, di nato ginahilabtan ng isa, okay? Ang ato sang kuanon is that we take now the, katong diri, we are only changing, we keep 1. Okay? Okay, how about we keep x? We want to find f, r, y. Kanina lang, r, y. What is f, r, y now? F, r, y? What is f, r, y? Ang x, i-change nato to r. Okay, by the way, from here, r is equal to x squared y. So, x now is equal to, murag mas nindot ug y atong baguhon. X, na lang, xr na lang, no? So, y now is equal to r over x squared. Okay? And then, sa ito pa, dy over dr equals 1 over x squared. Okay. So, meaning that this is 9. Okay. Before writing this, pwede na ako siya buhaton nga, we are only changing the y. Pwede na ako, ayha na ako i-change na ako daan. Right? This is just fx of x times fr of r. Tama? But this is, okay, this is not yet fr of r. Let's call this fr actually this is not fr. fr over x squared. Murag ana. Okay? So, let's just call this fy. Meaning, ato lang sa ibutang ning f diri, no? What is this? Okay. Changing, diretso na lang nato. I-replace nato. Okay. Para dili ma-confuse, I'll change this to g. Okay. G. So, this is just unsa may tabo. Unsa gani ni siya? Balik ko na to ha. Pero mao to sakto to siya. This is fx of x, g, y of y. Okay? But now, I'm going to use the gr kana para maano gyud. gr of gr of r na siya, right? So, gr of r is just gy of, okay, 1 over what? R over x squared, right? Times the determinant, 1 over x squared. Tama? So, this means that this is fx, rx, or xr na lang. xr. xr of xr equals f of x, so this is 3 halves x squared times gy of r over x squared. Asa ba lang ano? This is now times 3 over 8, 2 minus r over x squared, squared, times 1 over x squared. Nakuha? And this is now equal to what? Cancel. And kasi may tabod 9 over pila ni? 9 over 16 times unsa man ni siya? This is 2 minus, okay, 4 square na ako ha. 4r over x squared plus r squared over x to the 4. Right? Okay, this is now fxr. xr. How do I get f? I want now fr of r. This is just to integrate what? Ang xr, tama? xr, but this is now in dx. What is our limit? Ang domain sa x would be negative 1 to 1. Right? So, kani, this is now 9 over 16 times the okay. Okay na, 4x. Okay, pa-plus na, no? 4 over x. 4r. 4r over x. x cubed minus
Negative 1 third.
4r squared over, o say over,
3x cube. X cube.
no, x minus,
Negative 4 plus 1. Negative 3.
di na takabalo mo integrate. 3, 4, tama?
4 plus 1.
4, so this is 4 plus 1 over, okay, so no, over negative 3, right? So, x cube, negative 3, so mahimong, yeah, that's why mahimong minus, no? Negative 1 to 1. Tama ba?
Sige, 4 ang taas. Diba wala?
Ay, walay 4? Wala, okay. Okay, 4x, negative 1 to 1. Wala ba ni tama? 0. Times sa. X squared man dahil niyo. Lagi mo na negative tama. X 4 minus negative 4. So, the 8. Ha? Times 2. Times ang ano galing nanay 4? Pag square din 4. 4.
2 times 2, sir.
Yeah, okay, sakto na. Sakto na siya. So, sa ato pa, this is 9 over 16 times 8 plus unsa man ni siya? 8r? 8r. Kani
2 third.
times sa murag na isayop. Paki-check daw be.
2 third x squared.
R over x squared. Sakto naman, no? R over x squared. So, this is 4 minus 4r over x squared. Sakto man. R over 4. When we integrate this, what do you get? 8. Diba? 4 times 1 minus 4 times negative 1. May mong 8 lagi. This is 8r. Ay, ano? Dili ni may mong 8r. 4r minus plus di ay 8r kani kay 2/3 r squared. I think mao ni siya. Sakto na ba? Mao naman siguro ni. This is now f r of r. Base natin sa yup ba? Sakto ra? Mao na siya. Now, what is our domain here? What's the domain? Ang x nato kay, ang x is negative 1 to 1. Ang y kay 0 to 2. X squared, unsay domain sa x squared now? X squared would be what? 0, 1, tama? Ang y is ano gyapon? 0, 2. So what's now the domain of x squared y? 0, 0, 2? Sakto ba ni? Yeah. Okay. So, ang domain sa x squared y is 0, 1 times 2. 0, 2. So R, now ang domain niya kay 0, 2. Any question? I think this is correct. Ay, sakto ba? Murag piling na ako na isayop. Tanaw daw sa kuan. Ako man nag-solve ganihan, murag lahi ako nakuha. I think, basta ang procedure sakto. Muna importante. Okay. How about okay, kamo daw try ani. What is the density function of okay, let x bawra gyapon to ha, x 3/2 x squared and y is 3/8 2 minus y squared. Now, I want to find q equals x squared and r as 2y plus 1. Find q r. I mean, f q r. Sige daw, try daw ninyo ni. Mas muna ako ang statement of the problem ha. What we have so far is the transformation of random variables. Again, if x and y you have q is equal to you have qr or you have xy to qr. If this is invertible, okay, then if this is invertible, then we can use fqr. QR is just equal to fxy of xy of the determinant of the inverse Jacobian, xy over partial qr, right? If it is invertible. What if it's not invertible? Suppose that, what if x is given by some distributed fx, and then y is distributed some fy. And we let now r to be x plus y. What is now the distribution of r? How do we find out the distribution of r? Okay? Now, we are going to start now with, tanaw nato ni siya. Notice that suppose that the domain of your x is naa diri. And the domain of your y is here. So technically, ang imuhang ang domain sa fxy sa joint PDF is na dire, right? All of the points right here. Okay? Basically, magod in the transformation of random variables, this one domain, this new domain will be maabot na siya, posible na siya dire. Right? Katong gibuhat nato ganiha. Okay, like this one. This one to that one. So meaning this one to the new domain. Now what happens if you have a set here? A. Now this A will transform to this one. This is now a transformed A. Now you can use, if there is a measure, what if A is, the mu of A is based on the sigma algebra, mu of A is some, what is now the measure of A on the sigma algebra? I mean on the sample space, where you can construct a sigma algebra there. Okay? So, mo na itong pwede nga this one transform to that one. But anyway, as of now, ato lang sana kung ano ni siya. What we want is the distribution of x plus y. Now, okay. Let r is equal to x plus y. Now, notice now that here, we have a line y is equal to minus x plus r. This is a line which is 45 degrees but downward, right? This is a line nga ana. Now, the summation, that means that this line right here, whatever this one is, this line, this 45 degree sloping downward line, so this 45 degree line dire, this is the line r plus x plus y equals r. Okay, we want to know what is the minimum value of r of this line. What is the minimum value of this line? Ato ni siyang ikuan ha. What's the minimum value of this line? The minimum value of this line is when x is minimum and y is minimum. And it will pass, meaning that this line has to pass through this point, meaning that that is this line. This s right here is just equal to what? R. This r right here is just equal to kani, meaning this is x minimum plus y minimum. Tama? Kaning s diri, the x-intercept. Nasabtan ninyo ni? Di ba ang line, kani atong line, mao ni atong line. This is the y-intercept. Right? What is the y-intercept? This is not the y-intercept. That y-intercept right there is x min minus y min. Kung dirita, this is the minimum line. How about the maximum? The maximum is when x is maximum and y is maximum. So, sa ato pa na adiri. And this is that line right there. Okay? Kanisa. Now, technically, you can show that this one is actually x max plus y max. What is y max? Mo niya itong y max. Mo niya ang x max. Why is that? Well, we have here a 45 degree right triangle, tama? So sa ato pa, kani must be equal to that. That means that if you add this to this one, right? Nakuha ninyo ang point, ani? Ani ha? I'm drawing the line. What is this line? This line is r is equal to x plus y, or y is equal to minus x plus r. Kani siya. This is now the maximum r. Each of this line right here has a value. This could be r equals, I don't know, maybe if this is 1 and this is, if this is 2 and this is 1, so ato pa, this is r is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Tama? Sabta ninyo? So suppose that x max is, let's say, 5, and this one is 7. So this line right here is r equals 12. Right? Sabtan? That's the maximum. And you can justify that because, tanawa, that this height is equal to this plus that. How do you show that? How do you prove that? That this height, which is, unsa man ni siya, this is s, right? And in this case, this is x max. This line right here is must be this is equal to plus that, tama? X max plus y max. Now, how do we show that this is indeed? Well, of course, kani, what is this? This is just y max, tama? No, x max. But since this is a 45-degree triangle, so whatever this one is must be the same. So sa ito pa, this one is x max. So indeed, that s is equal to x max plus y max. Mao ni ang maximum. This one will correspond to r equals 12. This one will correspond to r equals 3. Sabtan? Now, r in the middle is r equals between, it could be, naana siya diri, no? Sabtan? So, these lines. Okay? We want now to find, given kanisha, okay, given x, o sa ganito, x, and then y is this is fy. What is now f? What is f of x plus y? Okay? So, we're going to do that. Let's start with the CDF. Let's start with the CDF. So, I'll erase this one now. Let's start with the CDF. We want to find f of r, which is equal to what? This must be equal to f of x plus y. Tama? F of x plus y. But since we are assuming that they are independent. Since these are independent, sa ato pa, this is just equal to the joint probability, okay, must just be equal to, okay, tanaw, this is now equal to f of x plus, I'll use g. F na lang yapon. Fy of y. Tama? That one. Because f of x is independent. But here, you will know that y is equal to r minus x. Tama? Nakuha ninyo eh? This one is r minus x. Okay? Now, tanaw na to ang CDF. The CDF of f of r, fr of r, what is this? This is double, so this is the double integral. Okay? And this is the since this is the CDF, this goes from this one to that specific r, tama? So this is now, the domain would be x plus y is less than equal to r. Okay? Of fx of x, fr of x, dx, dy. Now, ato ni siyang i-separate because they are independent. So this is fx of x dx times, okay. Wait. Ato siyang ikuan ha. I'll change now the integral. Mo nagyapon na siya. But I'll emphasize, this is integrated hantod r minus x, tama? This is integrated up to r minus x because we are taking the CDF to, okay, to some r minus x. Okay? So, meaning that this is now fx of x dx times the integral of r minus x, fr minus x, dy. Paki-take note sa derivation, ani. And then, this is, okay, this is just, atong, the domain lang. The domain na lang, o, d. Okay. But what this one is, when we take the derivative of this, sa may mahitabo. Okay. So, sa ato pa, unsa ni siya karon? When we, this is now, what is this? Okay, atin lang sa. Let's take the derivative of df of r over dr. So, meaning this is d over dr of this integral right here, fx of x, dx times, actually, up to some x na siya, no? Up to some x. And then this one right here is to some r minus x of f, wait, this is y. Sorry, this is y. This is fy of r minus x dy. Pwede na ako masunod ng dr, tama? Dire? Independent na siya. Okay? So what happens now to the integral? What happens to the integral? This one right here is just, this is just fr of r, tama? The density function, the derivative of the CDF is the density function. Paki-take note yun ang derivation ani, ugma. Okay? Okay, asa na ta? Isulod na ko siya dito. Now, I'll change this now to the domain, to the whole domain, because I'm now in the density function. And then this is fx of x may pa, wala nang gisulod ng dx diri. Pwede man actually dili. But okay na lang. Sige, ako na lang sa ano diri. And then what would happen is that this is d over dr of the integral from r to x of f. Wait. By the way, this whole thing right here is, unsa man na siya? That is the CDF, right? I will write this as the CDF of fy of r minus x dy. No, sorry. Wala na. This is, kana siya. Dx dire. Dx. Okay? But then, when you take the derivative of this one, this is now the integral. The domain of this, I would take the whole domain. It could be minus infinity to positive infinity, but any domain na lang ang ibutang, no? So, pagkuha sa, na lang, d. F of x, fx of x, this whole thing here is dfy over sige ni? No. dfy over dy. Wait. D of r minus x, d of r minus x over dr. dx. Tama? Nagkabuang-buang na ni siya. And then this is r minus x, right? Unsa man ni siya? This one right here is just the density function. Okay? Now here, when we are diri dapit manggod sa kaning diri nga x is a constant treated diri sa kani. Therefore, d of r minus x over dr is this is 1. So this is now a density function of r minus x dx. So this is now our fr of r. Okay, mao ni ang ato ang, this is called the convolution integral. Now, ano itong buhaton? This is the convolution integral. Now, let's take the psi r of omega. Characteristic function. But let's define the characteristic function. Let's use the negative as the di ba itong define ang characteristic function as e to the e minus I tx, right? Let's take that as negative. It doesn't change anything. Although, maano kung minus x, but everything that we, maura gyapon. So I'll change this one I'll define this one as the expectation value of e to the minus I omega x in order to be, kasi the last time nag-discuss tag Fourier series, and this is Fourier transform, tama? So in order to be consistent with the notation. So using this as the forward. But it doesn't, you can derive everything. So kanisya dire. Okay? And here, omega r. But what is r? R is equal to x plus y. So sa ato pa, this is again, psi x, omega, psi, y, omega. Tama? Right? Okay? Now, this is, ako na lang sa ning i-kuan. I'll define, ako ni siyang i-diretso. The integral of e to the minus I omega r, omega times x plus y, of, unsa ni siya dire? Fx, x, Fy, y, that would be, no, ang kaning integral dire kay, the integral is d omega, no? D omega, right? No. dx, dy, right? dx, dy. Akong i-separate dire, this is integral to I minus omega x, fxx, dx. Akong i-separate. And then, e to the minus I, omega. What is y? R minus x. So this is now Fy of R minus x dy. Okay? Tama? R minus x dy. But here, what is dy? R minus x. Okay, dx. Dx dy. This one right here is the Fourier transform of fx. And this one, if we set now, ibalik nat ang y dire, y. And this becomes y, diba? So this is just equal to the Fourier transform of y, but this one is the Fourier transform of, by the way, we define this one as this convolution integral can be defined as fx asterisk fy of r. So this one is the Fourier transform of what? Of fx asterisk fy of r. Okay. This one is what we call the convolution theorem. Now, grabe ni siya og application. In fact, in quantum mechanics, this is this is why when you measure, the more ka mag-close, the more nga paggamyon nimo ang when you multiply something manggod sa when you multiply something sa wave function, for example, kay momentum function, psi of p. You are going to multiply it by ani and then integrate. What you are doing actually is we are filtering. Ibig sabihin mo rin siya gaana, oh. Let's say mao ni mong momentum wave function. And then akay filter nga G nga kani. Kanilang imong pasudlon. And the more na nimo inaro na siya, what would happen is that note that the position is the Fourier transform of the momentum. Tama? Unsay ginasulti diri? Kani. Unsay ginasulti diri sa convolution theorem? The product in the transform space is the convolution in the signal space. Ano yung matabo? The filtering in the momentum space is a convolution in the position space. Actually, ang cause ani mo na siya nga convolution. When you say convoluted, di ba, ga-complicate? Something nga ano siya. So the more you precisely define the momentum, the more nga mo ano ang but anyway, ako lang ni siyang gi-define karon because kay siya gamit transition probability even sa propagator. Propagator is a convolution nga ano na siya. You can find convolution dia. Actually convolution na siya. So this is a very important nga result. Pero unfortunately, di na nato ako ang kwan is kwaon nun ta ang x plus y. But we don't have time for that. Di na lang nako i-appeal tong x plus y pagkuha. Tong di ba mao ni atong gusto find the distribution of x plus y. Mugamit og convolution dito. Pero lisod-lisod nga topic actually ang convolution. So this is a famous theorem is Fourier analysis, the convolution. And in fact, mao ni siya ang kanaganing sa music production grabe ni siya gamit. Like suppose that di ba kadidiri ga echo akong voice? Tama? Nay something na reverb. Let's say ganahan ko sa ako ang tingog diri, mukanta ko diri ganahan ko. I want to have this room as a sample. Like mukanta ko sa studio and then gusto nako nga gakanta ko sa studio nga walay effects, gamito na ako ning room effects diri. Ang gamito na ako is actually ang buhaton ana is mo record ko na ako signal impulse. Isa ka na. I-record na ako to siya and that is what we call an impulse. This one right here is the impulse response. And my signal is my voice. Ang kanisya dito is the cross synthesis. This is now mauni mong madunggan karon nga ang ako ang tingog plus the effects sa sa wall. Okay? Grabe og applications. Actually mo nang nag-ano gyud ko sa inyong Fourier kay grabe sa applications. Not only in quantum mechanics, in signal processing, signal analysis, data analysis, probability, everything. Ano ninyo is murag ang Fourier analysis is gigamit na siya sa pag-solve sa DE. Actually, it's one of the but basically Fourier analysis is a whole new level of I mean, it's a very rich nga nga mathematical tool in time series analysis in Fourier kanan. When you decompose a signal into frequencies, tanawon nimo dito, that's Fourier analysis. Without Fourier analysis, walay music production karon. Walay signal processing, wala ning wala tay technology ron nga ani. Wide kani tanan gi it's the morag na video na wala ko bulukin sa to. It's the most important piece of mathematics ever invented. Fourier analysis. And even in quantum mechanics, ang quantum mechanics mismo is Fourier analysis. The heart of quantum mechanics is convolution. And Fourier balik ko na lang siguro nako ni later kaning convolution. Okay. The convolution, kuan man ni siya. The Fourier transform of the convolution is equal to the product of the Fourier transforms. Nawala na dire. Nawala na ka dire.
Supposedly, dito na nimo, di ba?
O lagi, patungkol sa x plus y. Pero wala naman kay di naman wala kay oras. Wala na gani supposedly. Pero lisod na siya kay mubalik mo na supposedly dito sa x plus y kay mo to'y tumong. Pero murag nataas-taas man gud diri. Abi na ako makaya na ako 5 minutes ang kaninga part. Dili ay. But ang ano lang karon is kaning convolution is a very ano, filtering everything.
Gawa sa mga magsugod.
Asa?
Basta na tayo ka na itong external force without.
Oh.
Ito mo.
Pwede mo na Dirac delta. Mo na impulse, step function. Ano na mo Dirac delta. And this is the convolution nga ano, and makita ninyo karon asa sa gikan sa we derived it from CDF. And
Ayaw ko ito, mga gigikan mo si David. Kung si David, ito
ang mo gani na mo nang di ba ang L2 space ug L1 kailangan og measure space? Di ba measure spaces na sila? Why? Because we're doing calculus in the big spaces. And it plays a lot ang measure, ang integration dito is a measure. Ang integration, tanang integration is integration in the big measure. So mo nang manggawas gyud mga CDF mga anak because these are measures. Natural na sila. Mo nang nagstay gyud tag dugay diri. Pwede man nato i-discuss og 3 meetings na probability ba and then we proceed to statistical mechanics. The point is nagstay tag dugay diri in order somehow nga lalong kayo ang role sa probability gyud. Analysis man gud siya. Ha? Probability. Okay. Now, na ano niyo itong mga derivation, maghatag kog something ato nga di gyud kato siya pero pareho og procedure. Diyan sa imo, ikaw sekretary.